Welcome to another Inventor video tutorial. Let's start with a sketch. On the XY plane, I need a rectangle. It should be a construction rectangle. Okay. Give it some dimensions. This should be 183. That should be 85. This should be 108. And these 2 points should be aligned. And I need a circle with diameter 350 and move it down a little bit like this, and there you go. Make it tangent. Yep. Right there. Trim it. And give it another dimension. Which should be 30. It's fully constrained. Finish the sketch. And maybe hide the dimensions. Okay. Then I would need almost the same sketch on this plane. If you just copy it, it may turn to a different angle. So copy it and insert it, for example, into this plane. That's the XZ plane. And you see it's mirrored 2 times. So I will redo this. Okay. Therefore I need a new user coordinate system. That's the x-axis, that's the y-axis, and if I turn this one by 90 degrees, it should work. So let's go for user coordinate system. The origin should be 0, 0, 0, and then I want to turn it around the x-axis by minus 90 degrees. Yes. And then I want to copy this sketch onto this plane. See? So I go for this sketch, press right mouse button, copy it, and insert it, paste it into that plane. See? Now it's okay. Nice and easy. Then I will edit sketch 2. And I need some different dimensions. This one should be 43. And one should be 94 and finish the sketch. So the sketch is still in the clipboard and I want to use it again. And I go for another user coordinate system. Origin is again 0, 0, 0. And I want to turn this by minus 180 degree. And then I could paste my sketch right here. Seems it's not anymore in the clipboard, doesn't matter. I can copy it again and paste it with the context menu into this plane. Nice and easy. So next I need another work plane. Let's go for offset from plane from this one. And it should be 108 and confirm it. Yes. Then I need a sketch on that plane and I want to project geometry. I need this point, that point, and that point. Now I need an ellipse. Select the center point, one axis point, the other axis point, and 9. Trim it, and this line should be a construction line. Okay, now finish the sketch, and I go for a loft. First section, second section, third section, and one rail. And that's the rail, and it's of course a surface, and okay. Then I need another sketch on this plane, and there should be a line circle with diameter 652 and another circle with diameter 362. Let's slice the graphic. Okay. This should be somewhere here, and this should be somewhere over here. There should be a tangency and another tangency. Okay. Let's move it up a little bit. This one as well. And give it, this should be aligned to that one. There should be a dimension. This should be 108. geometry, so I will try to cut this, and the point should be on this. And there might be something missing. Let's take a look. Let's trim it. Two dimensions needed. Make this construction. And take a look. Yeah, this is still, I think, this could be aligned to that point. And it's still not fully constrained because I have to trim it right here as well, and now it's fully constrained. Finish this sketch. Yes. Let's hide the dimensions. Okay. Then I go for this tool, trim surface. The cutting tool is this one. And I want to remove this and that. And okay. So now I got nice surface. Shaded with edges. I prefer this kind of style. Yeah. Now I have to make some prolonged holes and cut the surface. So maybe make a sketch on this plane and slice the graphics. In Inventor 2014 there is already a prolonged hole. In this case I have to construct it. So I need, let's check it. Circle with diameter 18, another one 18, line, okay, another line, make them tangent, and trim it. Give it a dimension. That's 50. And align this point with projected origin point, and I need some copies. You could do a block. No. Make some copies by Control C, Control V. Another one. Control V, another one. I think I need 5 of them, that's okay. It should be all aligned. Distance should be 15. 15. 15. And 15. So right now I don't know which one is which one. First one should be 50, second one should be 45. So just test 45. That's okay. Then it's 40. That's the wrong one. This one should be 35. And that's the other one. It's 30. And that's the one with 40. And then I could align this point with the projected origin as well. And now it's fully constrained. Finish the sketch. Hide the dimensions. And now try to cut it. So if you use this tool, Trim Surface, you define the cutting tool, that's this one, and take note you cannot use the complete sketch. That's odd, so I cancel this and I will make a copy of the sketch. Copy and insert it. Four times. Now I can use at least one of these prolonged holds with every sketch. So let's go for it. trim surface, that's the cutting tool. This should be removed. Okay. And again, that's the cutting tool. That should be removed. Okay. So, seems I got the wrong one. Doesn't matter. You can always switch it back. And again, this should be removed. Okay. And again. Remove this. And remove this surface. And okay. Let's hide these elements and that element as well. I'm almost ready, so I need a line right here. I do it with a 3D sketch. Make a line from this point to that point. Okay, and finish the sketch and make a boundary patch with this and that, and okay, and I'm done. So thanks for watching, see you next time, bye bye. Welcome to another Inventor video tutorial. Let's start with a sketch.